Are you a professional in the medical sector interested in the possibilities of 3D printing? We present the MED 3D printer, a 3D printing platform dedicated exclusively to offering customized solutions for hospitals and medical centers. We have the best software for planning and design of all types of cases. We have the most advanced technology for you to realize your projects, without exception. Material jetting, stereolithography, digital light processing, continuous digital light processing, selective laser sintering, direct metal laser sintering, selective laser melting, multijet. Using optimal biocompatible and sterilisable materials, resins, polyamide and titanium. With an endless range of colours and incredible textures. All developed through the rigour, responsibility and experience of years of research in 3D printing, which allows us to offer multiple and advanced solutions. Surgical guides, implants for fully customizable reconstructions, models for teaching and communicating with the patient, models for hyper-real diagnoses. Remember, we understand you. We are a medical corporation and must follow the strictest health regulations in terms of processes and products. Accordingly, our communication and service platform have the necessary certificates that endorse our commitment to the professional and ultimately the patient. Would you like to work with us? Enter digital-health.avinent.com and send us a request with your requirements. Send us your files in .di.com or .sti format with all the specifications. Validate the proposal developed by the Avinent team. Once validated, we will print your model and you will receive it within 48 hours. We have designed this platform with consideration for your security and peace of mind. We want you to feel comfortable working with a technological partner as rigorous as you. If you need more autonomy, we will provide you with the necessary technical support and equipment to acquire and install the 3D printer so you can make your own prototypes. MED 3D Printer by Avinent.